In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add VPN in UC Browser. So first, of course, open up your UC Browser. Then next is click on the menu or this three dot icon at the top right. And here, look for any VPN options or a secure browsing option. Some versions of UC Browser have a built-in VPN. So from there, all you have to do is tap it and turn it on. Now, if you don't see any VPN option inside your browser, that only means that your UC browser doesn't support adding one directly. So instead, you'll need to install a separate VPN app for your PC. So in that case, you'll need to download that VPN app on your desktop. So after installing the app, open it up. And once done installing, just open the app and connect to a server of your choice. So once connected, you can go back to your UC browser and browse normally. The VPN will already be active and protect your connection. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!